My part is essential to God's plan for salvation. This is the reason you're doing the course with me right here. I love this lesson, not only because it uses the word ascend to meet the Christ in you, but just so much about it to recognize that it's so easy to think how unimportant you are, It's like, I could just walk away from this because I'm pathetic. Nobody needs me. I'm not wanted. Nobody's going to notice if I die, and all these different thoughts that we tell ourselves when we don't really recognize how crucial we are to the entirety of what this plan is all about. So this, as far as some people interpret it, in a way in which it's simply calling and asking you to be happy, as that's what God wants you to be. The plan of salvation and your function here is, yes, your function is happiness, yes, your function's forgiveness, yes, all of this, including your purpose, but the whole how you can be happy is in accordance to what you've been designed to be. So this is your unique function, okay? So yes, if you're not happy in what you're doing, you're not serving your unique function. You're not in that position in which you recognize that you are actually happy, right? So happiness doesn't come from what you do. It comes from knowing who you are, all right? So regardless of how you know who you are, what you define yourself as, to whatever degree, whether that be totality of all that is or anything else, you are receiving the knowledge in which you are designed to receive. So that is part of your unique function. So in this, if you really feel the call and recognize that it is your time to recognize it here and now, and what that is to recognize, and if you really feel that, you literally can feel that shift. You can feel that turn. You can feel it turn on. You can just feel it. All right? Now, whatever that is, to whatever degree you understand it, is your designed function. So that's where your purpose of forgiveness needs to be applied. Okay? So to whatever degree is this lesson saying that you need to just be happy in what you do? Is it saying that you need to be a family, what you do, happiness? Is it saying that you're the dreamer in your happiness? Is it saying that you need to come total, full divine realization and be happy? What is it calling you to do? Because whatever it is, if you think you can understand, you're like, oh yeah, total divine realization, dude. And then you get there. Because if you don't get there instantaneously when you decide to accept this function, that's not what your function is. If you have to work for this, it is not currently what your function is. You have a designed all attributes that you need right here. Yes, full divine full awakening is there, yes. But if it's not instantaneously, if it's not done right away, you're still have steps to take on this plan of salvation. Okay? You have to take those steps. Those steps are unique to you. It is crucial. It is a reason why they call it the stairway to heaven. Okay? They are practices, purposes, forgiveness, tactics, techniques, awakening processes, this or that, all sorts of different things that you go through, and it is completely unique to your perspective. And you just have to say, follow the light, follow your guidance, and keep going with it. Keep going with it. Keep going with it. Only you really know what that is. Okay? A good term that has been used is follow your bliss. Because yes, it will be blissful, but recognize and remember, one way or another, you're going to have to extract all of that mucky grows stuff inside you. Okay? You can do it on a healing journey. You can do it through safe places, or you can do it when you're in your unique function, in your routine, and stuck in something that you say you love, and then you're going to be blowing your casket and losing your house and all these different things, and and then you got to apply it, and then you're healed, and then you're forgive, right? And then it's either admit it right now, recognize it. When you have less to lose. You can go on a journey. You can join communities. You can get support groups. Go on shamanic journeys with myself or anybody that will help you in your awakening process. And it is very unique to you. Very, very unique to you. I gotta emphasize that it is not anybody's specific arrangement of any kind. Just follow what you feel inspired by, what you feel called by. What do you feel called to do? Where do you feel called to learn or take the courses, or this hermitage, or this meditation retreat, or whatever it might be? Follow what it is coming out of you. This follow your bliss, follow your joy, your light, your love. Follow it. Okay, that's like the most crucial thing that you need to do in your life and with this whole experience, is really pay attention to what you follow, and follow the guidance within. So your unique function is, yes, what makes you happy. It's a natural occurrence. When you're happy, you are in your unique function. You're embracing what you've been designed to be. If you're not, if you're not happy, you're doing something you are not called to do. You're forcing yourself to be someone you're not called to be. You're being something that you're not. You're not being true to yourself. You're not embracing that. And if you're lying to yourself, it's just going to happen one way or another, down the road or right now. It makes no difference. So lying to yourself does not work. You want to really heal and forgive as much as possible to be in that unique function. And you see, when you are, everything just naturally falls into place, because you're just being what you've been designed to be, and the universe is being what it's designed to be, and it's naturally just fitting in together. If you're trying to fit into some other shape or mold that you're not, then it in no way is it going to work out. It's you that's not working with the universe. And yes, the happiness comes from recognizing that you are one with the universe.